this just in, dude.
Yeah, we've got some exciting new off-roaders here at the ranch, and we're loaded up on the trailer right now. We got to get them off.
Yeah, so we have a brand new Ranger XP 1000.
Yep.
This is a NorthStar edition, which means it has a full cab and it has a plow.
I don't think we've ever had a plow on a side-by-side at TFL, Andre.
No, I don't think we did.
Stuff.
And look at this. Look at our barn. We have a lot of snow that fell off the roof, and we need to clear that second door.
Yeah, that'll be perfect for it.
Because all the snow melted otherwise.
So hopefully we'll get some more snow at some point, but for now we got to at least test the plow because the inner child in us is telling us we have to do that.
But there's something else.
Yes, we also have the Sportsman 570. This is the trail edition, which is the top of the line. It's in this really cool blue color. We've had some experience with different variations of this machine in the past, but we've got another one here and we're definitely going to get it off-road.
All right, so we loaded both of them on the same tilt trailer, but now we have to choreograph us moving off the trailer.
Yeah, so explain to me why this is difficult with a tilt deck.
So let's say you're on this machine, right, and the deck is released, the latch is released, the weight of your machine as you pull forward will lift the tilt deck because we don't have hydraulics on this. And, well, who knows? I need to be in this machine, make sure the brakes are on.
Yeah, and if I start rolling back, there still might be too much weight up front for it to release. So we might have to do like a dance together where we back them up at exactly the same time.
Yeah, totally choreographed. Don't try this at home type of deal.
And our cameraman's going to be operating the latch on the trailer.
Yes, so
we'll give this a go.
All right. And then we'll tell you the pricing on these machines and all the options, and then we'll plow some snow.
All right, I'm in reverse.
I'm also going into reverse, and
Leave your foot on the brake.
Okay. Good.
All right, the trailer's released, so I'm gonna just inch back. You're gonna have to dance with me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, that's okay. That was a little sketchy. Sorry about that.
That was pretty easy.
So let's talk about this machine and then also the UTV, ATV. So Polaris XP 1000 Ranger has been around for a while.
Yeah.
You could buy it as a 2-door like this with 3 seats or 4-door with 6 seats. And of course it has a dump bed, 4-wheel drive, basically 1000 cc's, about 999, right? And it's a basic working machine, utility machine that you could use on your ranch.
I mean, this isn't the new, I'm going to take my helmet off while I talk, but this isn't the new like heavy duty, Ranger XD, the extreme duty. This is still the lighter duty one, but still 1000 cc engine and plenty capable, 2,500 pounds of towing. You have a receiver in the back. And this is the 3-seater, but you can get it with the second row seats as well.
Yeah, totally. And then the NorthStar edition is the full cab, which is nice for wintertime, because if it was colder than now, I would need the heat, right? Mm-hmm. I have a wiper. Come around. So windshield wiper, heat, lights, power windows.
Yep.
So it's got a lot of amenities.
This is one of my favorite features with these cabs too, is the window can open. So, you're not limited to like only this configuration. You don't need to strip it all down in the summer. You can roll the windows down, have this open when it's nice out, still enjoy all the scenery in the outdoors.
And this is a fully luxurious version of it, right?
Yeah, you've got ride command, so you've got the screen up front with, navigation, cameras, front and rear cameras.
Yeah, and I can show that in a second, but that's good for plowing, having additional vision. Of course, if it was a snowstorm, the camera may be clogged with snow, but you know, who knows?
I'm curious what that plow view is gonna, or the front camera view is gonna look like with the plow up there. I kind of want to see.
Okay, and then I also have a winch up front, which actually helps me to control the height of the plow, so I can operate that. And then I can also go like this, so I can angle the plow.
So manual angle, you can't do that from in the cab, but from in the cab, your hands free. Can I operate this?
Hold on. Let me lock this up. It's locked.
Okay, so I've got a little button on the dashboard and I can winch out to lower and winch in to raise. And then Cole, if you come around here and look at the screen, pretty good view actually. We're shooting right into the sun right now, so it's a little washed out, but even with the plow and it's all the way up position, you still have a really good view.
So do you think I should try maybe move some snow, or will Roman be very angry if I scratch this driveway?
He will be very angry, so do your best.
Okay. Let me see. So I have these pucks also, and these pucks, they seem to be positioned correctly. I mean, it's not there's a little bit like a fraction of an inch, maybe half an inch.
Yeah, so those are made to slide on the ground, right?
Yeah, so they're made to slide. I guess you could raise them up or lower them a little bit, depending on what you want. I can give it a shot now, and then, well, this is this just in.
Yeah, we have lots more to do with this.
A lot more to do. So you were checking on the price on this.
Yep.
So this is a pull.
It's fully,
NorthStar.
pretty much, yeah, fully loaded, right around 32,000, just over 32,000, 32 and some change, and then you add the plow. But pretty much everything else you see besides the plow up here is part of that $32,000 price.
And then this can vary, right? I
Yeah.
mean, the blade is about what, $400 to $500. Attachments are another little bit of money.
Yeah, so the attachment varies depending on exactly what machine you're putting it on. They make different blade sizes. You can do it with or without this deflector on here. So a bunch of different options, but I think we're somewhere in the range of like $800 to $1,000 with this current plow setup. So
Okay.
about a $33,000 vehicle.
All right, well, we need to clear that door. Let me try this.
Have you plowed snow before?
Yes, I actually went on a winter event with Ram, and our buddy Nick Kappa was there. He taught me how to plow, but I was in the Ram 2500 Cummins.
I edited that video. I remember that now. Yeah.
But I haven't done it with a side-by-side.
Well, let's see what it's like.
All right. Let's see. Firing up.
How awful does my hair look?
Okie dokie.
So I have a good feeling he's just gonna push the snow a few feet over this way and it's not gonna make it off the driveway, but maybe I haven't instilled a lot of hope in Andre. Maybe I'm wrong.
Am I all the way down?
Yeah. Your pucks look pretty high though. There's a good gap there.
Should we adjust the pucks?
It doesn't help that this is like solid ice and not fluffy snow.
How about we lower the pucks?
Okay.
I'm in four-wheel drive.
Yeah! Woo!
Okay, so that's working. I think this is a success, huh?
Yeah, I think so. It's at least broken up enough now that we can use our garage door. Good work.
Bam! Thank you, Polaris.
Yeah, so we desperately need some more snow now. It'd be nice to have like our whole driveway just with six inches, a foot of snow, and we can really test this out. Because I am curious to know what it's like to plow with the side-by-side. It's one of the most advertised use cases for one of these.
Oh, I can hear you now. Yeah, totally. Because I mean, we do have a lot of trucks here, and we don't care if there's some snow in the driveway. But Tommy has classic cars.
Mm-hmm. We have Mustangs.
We have Mustangs.
Teslas.
So we need to bring some vehicles in and out, and now we can move some snow.
Yeah. So we'll definitely do some off-roading with this too. We'll show how the plow disconnects. We'll take it off-road. Really itching for some deep, heavy snow, but that's it for now. The Ranger XP 1000 NorthStar and the Sportsman over there. We'll have full videos on both of them, but this just in for now. We wanted to show you the new stuff. The Expedition that we had for a couple months just left us, and it was replaced by these. So thank you, Polaris. And where should they go?
TFL.com, because not just off-road stuff, but all of our automotive news and all of our videos and TikToks, well, actually shorts, are at TFL.com.